flying everywhere. I'm hoping y'all can see that.